Okay. Look at this thing.
Mini AutoZone trips later.
It's late night at the shop. It is 11 o'clock. Finally got the fuel pump. Got some carpet cleaner. And yeah, tough stuff. So we're gonna put this in the fuel tank. I'm a little exhausted, but we gotta get this shit done. I'm gonna pull this apart and put this in there, and let's hope everything goes as planned. This is disgusting. Look at that. I wonder what inside the tank looks like. Hold on. Well, it looks like I got clean out of tank. Yay. Alright, well, 7 gallons later. Let's see if that helps with the tarnishing. See you in 24 hours.
Tomorrow.
Well, my first thoughts walking into a shop smells like vinegar. Look at all this shit on the floor too. So, I haven't looked in there yet. Let's see how this looks. I can't see shit. Hold on. Alright, let's pour this vinegar out. See how well it did. I mean, there's more shit coming out. Oh, it's chunks of shit. I bet you if I hit it with a pressure washer, well, just spraying out a little bit. Look at all that shit that came out. So we still got like all that shit. But this is the side I pressure washed. So I'm gonna try to pressure wash all that real quick. Look at all that. Alright, well look who showed up. I said, look who showed up.
I wanted to get a stool with grip of your feet. It's perfect height, but you lean over and you're suddenly going, whoa, okay.
Alright, well Nick's changing the oil on his truck today. And I'm working on the MR2 gas tank. But hopefully the truck will act happy for him. So Well, damn. I like the look of this. I'm excited. I got the line a little bit off there, but there's a nice before and after. I'm excited for this car. I mean, I am hyped. I can't wait to see how it looks all together, on wheels, on coils. But, yeah, I'm gonna let this dry, see how good it looks. That's a nice before and after. So now let's go up and have fun with Joshua, Sarah, and Nick at the brewery. We're doing it as a celebration for Sarah's birthday. For all ingredients.
Oh, right. So, yeah.
Yep, that's for you, Sarah.
I'm scared.
Alright, we made some pretty good progress today. So, I did end up cutting this, just get that whole chunk out. But, it looks pretty damn good. Even, I got door jambs all the way down and in, even the hinges. But, for the first go, it's not, all in all, not looking terrible. I need to figure out how to get the actual stains out of the white. Still need to bolt these in. Waiting to put the center console back in to get the gas tank in. Got the stereo in. Haven't tried it out yet to see if it all works, but I'll be replacing it all soon, so it's not a biggie if it doesn't. But yeah, all in all, not looking bad. So I'm excited. Did good work for today. We're waiting on parts. I'm waiting on the filler neck for the fuel tank. And then I can put that all back up and in. Put the interior the rest of the way back together and should be able to fire it up. One other thing I'm gonna be waiting on is a new fuel filter. But yeah, I gotta order that still. So, good work today. We're gonna be back on it tomorrow.
3 days later.
Alright, finally got the fuel filter in. So, I'm excited about this. Finally put it in. It's right down there. It's easy to do from the bottom. But, while I was waiting on that part, I was able to find out how does that work. So I got everything back up in. Fuel tank, all these lines and everything. So, I want to put the new fuel filter in. Right there. And then I'm gonna pour some gas and start it up. I'll put that in. I'll pick you guys up on pouring gas in. Let's get it. Alright, so a little bit of a minor pit stop, but I got the wrong filter originally. This is the right one, or this one will work. So, now I'm gonna put the right filter in and then pour some gas and start it up. So I'll pick you guys up here in a minute. Wish me luck. Right. Hell yeah, no leakage. Alright. Now for the first startup in, I want to say, I think it's 8 or 9 years. See how it goes. Well, alright, so the other day, got everything back together, got the fuel tank up and in, everything, battery hooked up, and he gave me no start condition. Kept on doing that. I had my dad come over and help. Looked at it too for a little bit, but this is what it sounds like. Like, over here. Why isn't there any power? Right. Okay, fuel pump doesn't turn on, nothing works right. So I figured, hey, grab some starter fluid, spray it in here. I'll show you. Like, hold on. Okay. Developing starter fluid in there. Now, again, I'll start. Well, now it's doing it, but before it wasn't starting. I look stupid now, but before it wasn't starting. I don't know what it was, but my brother-in-law touched some things over in there as my dad was stirring starter fluid in there, as I was turning the key. So I'm gonna go out to the other car, grab the other mass airflow sensor, and I'm gonna take off the spark plugs and clean them all, make sure it's all good, make sure the spark plug alley is not like dirty and shit. And I'm gonna take the cap and rotor off and clean all that, make sure they're in the right firing order. So enjoy the time lapse, and we're gonna get to it. The things I do to get the right lighting. Alright, let's get on this shit. And down. Alright, well, took the spark plug out. I'll put the picture in here. But looks like I need a new spark plug. So we're gonna go to the store and get that. But in the meantime, I'm gonna put the car down, get everything cleaned up in here. All I gotta do is spark plugs and an oil change, and then we should be good to go. But I gotta wait till I get paid to do all that. So there's some other things I can do in the meantime. Like I can put this outside, bring the RX-7 inside, and try to start it up. So let's wrap this car up for now, and we'll get back at it as soon as I get the parts in stock.